You may wonder why my new main is the Rubiks brand, but here are some of the reasons why. The cube is so reliable, it never pop in its whole lifespan. Like, look at these aggressive turns, and it's never gonna pop ever. And with all my 3x3 speed cubes, I could never decide on which one would be my main anyway, so I might as well choose the most reliable one. Oh yeah, these cubes have great technologies like core-to-core magnets and other like really great magnetic adjustment systems, but this cube has none of that, and you don't have to worry about customizing it and all the troubles of customizing it and how complicated everything is. Top cubers like whenever you use Rubiks brands, because you don't improve, and then they get to keep all their world records. And the good thing about Rubiks brands is you don't give all these Chinese companies so much money to become rich. Just remember, guys, the first world records were broken with Rubiks brands too, so you know they were used for good competitions. Speed. Flagship 3x3 speed cubes are pretty much cheating. These Rubiks brands are the originals, so this one doesn't even count anymore. Look at these other Rubiks puzzles. The Rubiks 2x2 and 4x4. You don't have to worry about buying any other cubes from any other brands because Rubiks has all the cubes that you need. Time for the solve to show you why the Rubiks brands are so superior. Ready, set, go! Let's go, guys, let's go! Solve Rubiks. Look at the insane speed on this Rubiks 2x2. Ready, set, go. Wow, only a couple seconds. Rubiks 4x4. Ready, set, go. Bam! Let's go solve Rubiks 4x4. Now that's why these fantastic Rubiks products are my new main.